Down here on the Brazos River in Central Texas with Guillermo Gonzalez, Matt Scotch. He's from Lone Star Kayak Guide. He's brought us down here to put us on some fish. And with Connie Groudon, who really has never really caught a fish. So we're gonna see if Matt and Guillermo can put Connie on her first good bass. Ready to catch some fish?
Yeah, it's on right. Oh no, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It is, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got all that. Paddle forward, just paddle forward. There's one. Nice fish, man. Ton of fish in here that size. We're trying to find something a little bigger like that monster Matt just got. Oh no! Sometimes they just come off. Sometimes you can do everything right. Look at that. They're pretty much hitting everything we're throwing at them. Wacky Senkos, crawfish, jigs. They're fighting over it, dude. So pull up pretty hard on it. Yeah. No, that's twice. Yeah. So setting the hook is your problem. Now, that's not a bad fish. What do I do? Grab his bottom lip hard. Nice, got one. Yeah, you got him. Nice.
Bad boy.
Solid. Check out the monster that just hit the Excite Baits Raptor Tail Junior. Woo! Definitely my big fish of the day. Huge thanks, Lone Star Kayak Guide, Matt Scotch. Called me over to these boulders, told me where to cast, and sure enough, there she was. Let's let this girl go. That was a great way to cap off a good day on the river. What a fish!